New weapon control laws in California. Most publicly open firearms and increase taxes for weapons sales. The new CA weapon law in California. Subtitle Hide subtitles. Arms of arms. Ammunition sales. Federal government is currently taxed by 10 or 11. A new California law adds 11 tax to sales. Most people prohibit transportation of firearms in public place and double weapons and ammunition. Taxes sold in state. The federal government is currently taxed by 10 or 11 of the sales of arms and ammunition. The new law adds 11 more tax to sales. Makes it. What will be the sales tax revenue fund in California? The money obtained from weapons and ammunition sales will finance several different programs in California. The first $75 million will go to finance the grant program for violence and prevention of violence against California. $50 million of taxes will go towards increasing security in public schools. PARA will finance physical security improvements. Post-school programs, mental and behavioral health services for students, teachers, other employees. Where will people carry weapons? The new law prohibits people from carrying weapons such as parks, public demonstrations and meetings, amusement parks, churches, banks, zoos and any other agency. How do anti-day control advocates respond? According to EP, California Rifle and Pistol Association filed a lawsuit to block one of new laws signed on Tuesday, which prevented most people from carrying weapons in public sphere. This is just common sense. Biden points to the new administrator action that expands arms background controls. New arms control legislation. The governor of Colorado signed arms control laws in the USA last year. The Biden management accepted the law on secure community of two parties. He created a financing pot of $750 million to encourage the red flag laws. Closed. The federal licensed firearm seller explained the definition of the description, which has become a federal crime to traffic in firearms. Also hardened. Gun deaths on the rise in 2021. For second flat year. According to the U.S. Disease Control and Prevention Centers, arms deaths reached highest number so far, about 49,000. Killer violence was the leading cause death for children and young people. And more than half all deaths Black young people created. Further information shows that they may be reduced. The part shows that temporary CDC data fell in 2022. This year. The non-profit Arms Violence Archive documented that there was a 5% decrease in deaths and injuries of arms violence. Mass is also increasing this year. In the half of 1023, a mass database by ULU's Associated Press and Northeastern University has seen more mass since 2006 at the end of June. Grace Houck and App News contributed to this report.